Hey everyone, so today we are going to solve the LeetCode question maximum product of 2 digits. Okay, this question is so easy, so let's jump into the code directly. I'll show you two solutions. And the first solution is, first of all, convert input number into string, so string and n. And we iterate through one by one, so for d in string n. And after that, we convert this d into integer again, so int and d. And then at last we sort this number, so sort it, and let's say digits equal, and then return digits and the last number, I mean the biggest, and second number should be digits and minus 2. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of d log d, and the space is order of d. Yeah, I'll show you second solution. Okay, let's write the second solution. So in the second solution, we try to find the biggest and the second biggest. So let's say first is the biggest, and the second is the second biggest, equal 0 and 0. And let's iterate through one by one. So while n is greater than 0, we continue. So we use a remainder, so n % 10. And then if x is greater than first, in the case x is biggest right now, right? So update second equal first, and then first equal x, right? As if x is greater than second, in the case just update second equal x. And every time we remove the most right number, so n divide 10. And after that, just return first multiply second. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of log n, and the space is 01. Yeah, so that's all I have for today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.